How to make refinement effective?
During backlog refinement, the Scrum team, together with customers, decompose big, vague ideas into smaller, clearer, well-defined and easier to implement functionalities. It is sometimes called splitting or slicing. The conversation, engagement and energy are keys to build shared understanding. When your backlog management tool gets in your way, writing down your ideas by filling in forms, both the customers and the Scrum team might become disengaged and frustrated. They may start to avoid the refinement sessions and stop talking to each other. And when the mutual understanding is gone, it will be increasingly difficult to build what your customers really need.
Focus on understanding the customer. Scrum Boards in Easy Redmine 13 make working with product backlog items as easy as possible. With features like Split, you can break down work quickly. For clarity, give PBIs color coding or emojis to help you navigate them. Try Easy Redmine 13 for free now at easyredmine.com.